Let us see one more TET question. Two poles of 12 meters and 3 meters are 21 meters apart. The height of the intersection of the lines connecting the top of each pole to the base of the other is. First, let us understand what they have given. They have given that there are two poles. One pole is of 12 meters height and the other is of 3 meters height. And these two poles are separated by a distance of 21 meters. We need to find out the height of the intersection of the lines connecting the top of each pole to the base of the other. That means there are two poles. One pole is of 12 meters and the other pole is of 3 meters. And these are separated by a distance of 21 meters. 12 meters, 3 meters. We need to find out the height. Which height? When we connect top of each pole to the base of the other, there will be an intersection point. We need to find out the height of this intersection point. So this height we need to find out. Let us give it a label A, B, C, D, E, F. This problem can be solved using similar triangles method. If you carefully see, triangle A, B, C is similar to triangle C, F, E. The same way, if you see other side, triangle B, D, C is similar to triangle B, E, F. We know that when two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportional. That means, for suppose take first part, triangle ABC, which is similar to triangle CEF. So FE by AB is equal to CF by CB. Why? Because base of smaller triangle is CF and base of larger triangle is CB. The same way, the base of smaller triangle is BF and the base of larger triangle is BC. First we have considered the larger part. Now let us consider the other side. This is equation 1. Equation 2 is nothing but FE by CD is equal to FB by CB. This is equation 2. Now let us add these two. FE by AB plus FE by CD is equal to CF by CB plus FB by CB. Now from this, what we will get? If we take FE common, this will become 1 by AB plus 1 by CD. And the other side, it will become FB plus CF by CB. What is FB plus CF? FB plus CF is nothing but CB. So these two will get cancelled. Now FE into 1 by AB plus 1 by CD will become 1. We need to find out EF. We know AB, we know CD. What is AB? 12 and CD is 3. So Fe into 1 by 12 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1. Fe is nothing but 36 by 15. 15 ones, 15 ones, 15 twos, 15 fours. So this is 2.4. 2.4 is the answer. Instead of doing all this process, you can easily guess the answer from the options. Definitely the height of EF will be less than height of CD. That means EF height is less than 3. So these two are not the options. And from the other two options, 1.2 definitely is not the option because the EF height is slightly less than CD. It is not much less than CD. So we can cancel it out. The last option left is 2.4. So this is the answer.